Welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool. If you can hear me, please let me know. And if there is any problem about sound, please let me know that as well. Okay. So I need to know first if everything is cool or not. It's important, man. It's important. Then I will talk about the price action, everything. Can't you hear me? I guess you can hear me. Anyone long? I don't so. I mean, the last time the market came to daily fair value gap, don't say stay in it too long enough and gapped above it. Okay. Good morning and evening, Tamimi. Miguel Jenner. Hey, Miguel, how are you? Okay, and all good, all okay. Thank you. I'm long, brother. Yeah, am long. I took this too long. I'm gonna explain this too long, but before explaining this too long, I would love to add something. Okay, so here I took a long here. You can see the arrow is over there. So I took a long over there, and I sold it over here. Okay, then I took a long to that breaker block. I took a partial when it came to this last parabolic from 1 minute chart. I took a partial, and my stop loss is to the break even. This is my target. Okay, I don't call myself a legend trader by taking this type of a small move. Okay, very small move from here to here, from here to maybe until that area. Why I took this type of entry? Okay, why I took those? The reason is I recently I got some messages. Okay, I got some messages to my Twitter where they just show me some entry like for 10 handle 12 handle entry. Okay, I got stopped out to the break even with some profit. Okay, so actually they took some entries like this type of a small entry, yeah? And they called, they know the market structure, everything. Now I don't see myself that I'm a good trader if I can take this type of a small move. Okay, this is not my style of trading. I don't trade like this way. Why I took that entry? There is logic. Okay, everything has a logic. Without logic I didn't take anything. So this is the 15-minute line. I mean 15-minute look over here. Okay, market went here, then market is falling. Okay, if market would love to go higher, this is the entry parallel gap, this is the last parallel gap. So I'm gonna mark both of them. Last parallel gap, I'm gonna mark it as a last parallel gap, and this is the entry parallel gap. So it should, I have time until 9:30, so I will talk about this. Okay, so this is the entry parallel gap. What do I mean by that? That means if market would love to go higher, it will either tap over there to the entry parallel gap, then it will go higher, or it can reach until that last parabolic up, then it will go higher. But what happened? Market has closed this last parabolic up perfectly over here. It closed perfectly, then it started to go higher, go above the last parabolic up again. That is the sign market doesn't want to go lower. It would love to go higher first. Now just remember entry parabolic up and last parabolic up. I'm just removing this line, these two parabolic up. Remember, okay? Now I'm in 1 minute chart. This is that last parallel gap. So this last parallel gap turned into the BPR. So I'm gonna mark it as my BPR. Now, if market really would love to go lower, it should trade the low or maximum the constant encroachment. After trading both of this level, it should fall. What market has done? It went higher, closed above the BPR. That means if it closed above the BPR, it should tap to the high or to the constant encroachment, then it should go higher. There was no opportunity. Okay, no opportunity, market never came here. So I'm gonna remove the last parabolic gap or the last BPR from my chart. Now here is the part of the entry parabolic gap. I'm also thinking the same way. If market really would love to go higher, it will go through this entry fair value gap, and it's already the BPR. Okay, so let me mark it as BPR. When market went through this here, this fair value gap from 15-minute chart turned into the BPR. After closing above the BPR, where did it came? To the constant encroachment. One more time to the constant encroachment, went higher. Gave me the market structure shift. See over here, market structure shift. When I got the market structure shift, this candle opened, I took my buy. I was curious to see that market will come to this parabolic gap one more time, and I will add one more contract over there. My target was this entry parabolic gap over here, so that was my entry. I was thinking that market will just give me immediate reaction, then it will come here. It didn't give me that opportunity. Instead of that, it extremely go higher and tap to this entry fair value gap. Now this is the part of the reaction. Market went lower. Where did it came? Exactly to the top of this BPR. Okay, here to top of the BPR. Look at the body. You will see the body. If body closed below the constant encroachment, this BPR is not going to balanced toward the buy side. If it closed below the constant encroachment, you have to think market is going to make this parallel gap as a BPR, balanced price range, by taking sales and liquidity. Market came here, went higher one more time. Here is my breaker block, but this candle closed above this breaker. The very next candle tapped to the breaker, I took my entry. To tap to this breaker, I took my entry. I take a partial when market came to this last parabolic gap, and I hold it until the high of that line. I mean, it didn't tap over there. You can see it actually missed it for some handle. Then stop me out. Now, what is this thing? What is this thing? Same thing, the BPR. Why? Market went lower, right? When it went lower, this is a fair value gap. Market tapped to this low. What should it do? Take the sell side liquidity. If you have if you were with me in my Twitter, you saw that I gave you a screenshot to that fair value gap over here. That was the fair value gap. I took I screenshot and I posted it to my Twitter. Okay, now I'm not interested to take sell over here because I'm not sure market is going to take the sell side liquidity. I will be sure if this BPR is broken, then I will be sure that market is going to take the sell side liquidity. So I didn't take my sell over here. Instead of that, I was waiting. When I saw market came here to that BPR area one more time, went higher. Same thing, market structure shift. You don't know how to mark the breaker. I'm gonna remove this breaker from my chart. Market structure shift, fair value gap, breakaway gap, tap to this fair value gap, boom. Here you got the opportunity to take entry. Same time, when it went through this area, what is this? Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. When market went through this buy side inefficiency is efficient, where market came to the top of this new BPR. Look over here, new BPR, tap to new BPR high, boom, went higher. Is it balanced yet? No. Is it balanced yet? No. When it will be balanced? When market will take the buy side liquidity. Where is the buy side liquidity? This high is the buy side liquidity? Absolutely not. This high is not the buy side liquidity. Then where is the buy side liquidity? You have to find out some relatively equal highs. I don't know where is the relatively equal highs, but you have to look for some kind of relatively equal highs. Market come back again. Where did it came? Exactly where did it came? It's your job to find out where did it came. This entry fair value gap. What is this? BPR. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Market went through this entry fair value gap. Buy side inefficiency has been efficient. Market came here where? To the constant encroachment. But bro, two candle closed below that constant encroachment. What is this called? Fake breakout. Market went higher one more time. Where did it came? Exactly to that constant encroachment. What is the market structure shift? Do you need the market structure shift? Absolutely, you need the market structure shift. Without market structure shift, no entry is valid. Now, I can call this as a market structure shift. Maybe this is the market structure shift. I can add one more here, but I don't have any idea how far. Maybe it will reach until that high. I don't know, but I'm not gonna push my button because it's almost, I mean, after 9. Okay, so yeah, here, if I was trading, if it's not after 10, sorry, 9, this candle I took re-entry over there. here. That is my entry. I would cover this fair value gap. Where should be my target? Maybe let me check if there is anything. There is nothing, so I can just mark the end of the last fair value gap over here, and I could target this one. Why I didn't take this entry? The reason is it's after 9. I don't want to take any entry after 9. Okay, after 9, no entry is valid. Why did you take those entries? Can we take these entries? No, you can't take these entries because we don't have any news around 8:30, so you can't take this entry. Why did you take that entry? To just show you that I don't call myself a wizard. I mean, I use that wizard word for fun. All of you know that, but I'm not calling myself that I know the market or price action perfectly by taking some kind of small move. Okay, from here to maybe until that last parallel gap, from here to here. I don't like to call myself a good trader by catching some kind of small move like this. What I would love to take, for example, here there was a market structure shift, fair value gap, immediate reaction. I will take that sell until maybe some kind of sell side liquidity. So here, this is the shallow run. This low has taken by that low as a shallow run. So I would love to mark this low over there. This is my sell side liquidity. So over here, what is this entry exactly? This is the 7 a.m. entry. Okay, I didn't take this entry, to be honest. I wasn't here, so I didn't take this entry. But if I were here, I could take that entry. Why I can frame this trade? Because it is the last fair value gap from 1 hour chart. This is the market structure shift. Again, guys, this entry is not, even if it works, it is not valid. The reason is after 9. After 9, no entry is valid. Again, even if it works, I will say I was lucky. I was extremely lucky. That's why it works. This is not the perfect place to take entry. Okay, so over here, this is the market structure shift. After taking the sell side liquidity is a extreme, I mean, huge displacement. Absolutely. What do you have? Entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. Here, the entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. This candle will give you the entry over here. This is your entry. You will cover the last fair value gap. Just 11 handle. What should be your target? This sell side liquidity. Why this is sell side liquidity? Relatively equal. Sorry, relatively equal lows, shallow run, obvious liquidity. That should be your target. You can take a partial when market will be to that last fair value gap. You can take a partial over there. Okay, to the top of this fair value gap, you can take a partial over there. I mean, this is for, so what to say, if I can take this entry, I will call myself, okay, I know something about the price action. But this type of entry, if you want to take this type of entry, you can take all over the day. All over the day, you can keep taking this type of entry. And I don't like to take this type of entry. I don't say myself that I'm a market wizard by taking this type of entry. Okay, so this is, I know, a personal, what to say, I mean, it's not a attack, okay, personal attack, but still, okay, one more thing, okay, just let it go. Okay, and this entry was the 7 a.m. entry. I'm sorry, I wasn't here. If I was here, I could mark this entry, and the theme of this entry is over here. This is the last fair value gap from hourly chart. Okay, last fair value gap from hourly chart. Why hourly chart, bro? The reason is, from 15-minute chart, yesterday I told, from 15-minute chart, just look at this messy price action. Just look over here. Is it clean? Do you think it is clean? Look at the wicks. See how messy the price action over here. What did I tell you? If you ever see this type of messy price action, go to your hourly chart, mark the hourly last fair value gap and the entry fair value gap. So this is the hourly last fair value gap. Price came here to the hourly last fair value gap. Go to your 1-minute chart. When you are in your 1-minute chart, just look for a market around 7 a.m. Look for the displacement. Okay, here that should the displacement, and this is the entry. I mean, whatever it is, you can say like this way. That was the 7 a.m. entry, and over here I'm gonna remove everything. Okay, guys, now I am adding the BPR to my chart. Okay, it's gonna be little complicated, I guess, but You wanted this, okay, you wanted this, so I'm gonna add bpr. It is little complicated, but I guess slowly you will get the bpr things, okay. Slowly you will get that. What is my bias right now? I don't see anything right now. Until now I don't see anything, okay. It's very messy price action for me. I don't have any bias, no sell side liquid. I don't have any sell side liquidity, I don't have any buy side liquidity. So yeah, I don't have any bias, so I'm not interested to trade in this type of situation. But I'll just let today go, okay. First I will let price make some direction, then I will be interested to trade. Just look from a broad picture. What can you see? Market came here, low, retracement, low, sideways, low, sideways, I mean retracement, sideways, low, retracement, low, sideways. This is sideways. Is it going to fall or is it going to break? I need that confirmation. If you have already watched my weekly analysis video, I told that I want to see market will reach until that area, but market started to go higher. I told you when I will start to look for the buy, okay. So please watch that video, then you will understand when I will start to look for the buy. Otherwise, until market is not below this daily fair value gap, I don't have any sell bias. If market can't go above this high, I don't have any buy bias, okay. So I am in a situation where I have nothing to do. In this type of situation, maybe for you it's a very good place. Like yesterday I outlined some trade, it worked perfectly. That doesn't mean I'm very confident of this market structure, okay. I am not confident at all. So I'm just reading the price, I'm trying to outline the trade. If I am right, I get happy. If I'm wrong, I'm happy because I didn't put my money into the risk. So as a trader, you have to understand the full scenario. Is it clean to you? If it is clean to you, put your real money on the table. If it's not clean for you, don't trade your real money. Now maybe it's clean for you, okay. It's not clean for me, that doesn't mean it can't be clean for you. Maybe it's very clean for you. Please trade, okay. There is no, I mean, don't come back to me and tell me, brother, you told not to trade but it was a very nice run or something, blah blah blah. Don't tell me like that way. For me it's not clean, I'm not interested. If it's clean for you, please go for that trade, okay. I'm not interested, that's all. So far this is the daily last fair value gap. I have this sell side liquidity from 15 minutes at this low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. My initial what to say expectation is market will go toward that sell side liquidity, okay. That's my initial target. There was a break bpr also over here. Just look at this candle, fair value gap, last fair value gap from yesterday. Market came here to that constant crossment, went higher. Is it balanced? No. Why? Market didn't take the buy side liquidity, went one more back, one more time to that bpr area, went higher. Is it balanced? This fair value gap is balanced? Absolutely not. Went through this break bpr. Look, went through this bpr, didn't trade over here. Instead of that, came here. What do I have here? The 15, I mean, sorry, the new week opening gap. This is the new week opening gap. Fake breakout. Market went higher, went through this bpr, come back again to the top of that bpr. Nobody closed below that constant crossment, went higher, take all of this buy side liquidity. This high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. It has taken that buy side liquidity. This is balanced now. Why did you put, I mean, still keep it on your chart? To show you that when market will come back around this area, you are not going to see this type of reaction. See this reaction? You are not going to see this type of reaction around this parallel gap. It's not important anymore. But brother, here is another bpr area, I mean the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. What will you say about this? Just mark this area. Like, let me mark it for you here, right? This balanced area is also balanced by that run. See this run? It went through this parallel gap, come back again to the constant and crossment, went higher, take the buy side liquidity. This is also balanced. That means this whole area is now balanced. Market doesn't need to give me any kind of reaction around this area. I don't need to see any kind of reaction around this area. What else you can see from 15-minute chart? Okay, I'm just showing you it from 15-minute chart. This is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Okay, this is the first time, I mean first thing. Here it's absolutely balanced. So here I'm gonna mark it, I'm gonna extend it. Okay, just look over here. I just extend it. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Market went through this, went through lower, went through higher, went through lower, went through higher, last one more time. Tap over there. Did it take the buy side liquidity? No. Is it balanced? Absolutely not. This area is not balanced yet. This balanced price range area or this fair value gap should be balanced. Now when it is going to happen, I don't know. Maybe it's going to balance this fair value gap right now, maybe, I'm not sure. But all it has to do is it has to take the relatively equal highs from 15-minute chart to make this fair value gap balanced. This fair value gap, okay? Why I started from here? Just look over here. What do you see? This fair value gap, right? This is a fair value gap. Market went through this, worked with here, then come back here, went lower. This fair value gap or this area has been already balanced when market went higher here. If you just do it by yourself, you will see that it's balanced, but this small fair value gap is not balanced yet. So market can come back again until this area. What do you have here instead of this balanced price range? What do you have? I don't know. Do you know that? What do you have? Is it complicated? I know it's complicated. Entry fair value gap. Where price came to the entry fair value gap. What is that balanced price range then important? Why it is important? If you know this, then you will understand why this type of move retrace from a random area. So here, what do I have here? Why price came here then went higher? Let's see. Now here this move I'm not seeing. Okay, I'm just watching from here. What do I have here? This sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency is efficient around that area. Buy side inefficiency has been filled here. Market came here one more time to this fair value gap, went higher. Instead of that, I have this daily fair value gap as well, so it's also important. But from 15-minute chart, I have this small fair value gap. Now, brother, it's gonna be a huge fair value gap, lot of fair value gap. Which one we are going to use and which one we should avoid? I mean, for the precision. Now it's up to you. I tried to make it simple. That's why I always talk about the last fair value gap, entry fair value gap, because it's easier for me to explain and it will be easier for you to understand the market. Okay, to mark the last fair value gap, to mark the entry fair value. Isn't it easy comparing with the balanced price range or something like that? Now, if I want to trade, depending, I mean, if I really would love to trade, I can add all of these things. When I'm in live, I'm not marking this, okay? And I'm a human being. I have only one monitor. I just can't remember all of this area without marking them. Now, when I'm here, when I don't mark them, sometimes I did some mistake, okay? Now, I have the knowledge about this thing. Maybe you don't have. Maybe you don't have, but you guys start to judge me. So let's play this game the way I play. Okay, I mean, yeah, if really you want to play this game this way, let's play this game. If you don't want that BPR, my suggestion is avoid the BPR area. That's my suggestion. Look just for entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. Trust me, man, it's absolutely perfect. It's absolutely perfect. This BPR area is also marked from the last fair value gap and the entry fair value gap only. But when there is some kind of this type of move, you will be confused. Okay, if you want to learn, I have no problem. If you don't want to learn it, you will have no problem. This entry and last fair value gap is enough for you to understand. Trust me, market will never reverse from a random area. Never ever. It will reach to the last fair value gap or the entry fair value gap. Yeah, sometimes it will reverse randomly, like like the last week there was no precision, trust me man. Look, all of this cell from here, all of this cell, there was no precision, nothing, no fair value gap worked perfectly. I know guys, I am not a famous trader. Go and watch Zcap, Ryan, whoever is the famous, okay, they know everything about the price action. Just go and check their tweet, their YouTube video. Every single person will tell you last week price action was unbelievable. Every single person talk like that way. So I don't know still why people judge me even still now, okay, they I don't know what. Now here it's up to you. Do you want to use that BPR or not? It's up to you. Trust me, this entry fair value gap and the last fair value gap is more than enough to trade. Okay, it's more than enough to get the precision, everything. If you want that BPR, congratulations, you are in a great war. Okay, it's time to read some comment. 926. So I have only 4 minutes left for the. Oh, by the way, why it's not precised for me? I would love to explain this one. Why I am not interested to trade with my real money, guys. Maybe you are thinking, okay, this is not good for him, but it's good for me to trade. I am gonna trade. Okay. Trading is nothing without knowing that when you should trade, when you should not trade. Look over here. What can you see from dollar index? Market is range bound to that 1 hour last fair value gap, 4 hour last fair value gap. Market is range bound. If you go to the higher time frame, this volume imbalance, this daily bullish fair value gap, price is in range bound from for the dollar index. Now is it important? It's not huge important, but still it's important. Still it's important. No clear bias. Why we are seeing this? Trust me man, this year is different. Last year in 2023 it was not like this. 22 no, 21 no, 22 absolutely yes. In 22 price was like this until now. After January, okay, January was a good price action, very nice price action from January, where we actually expect a very messy price action in January. We got the best price action in January, and sorry, and from February we expect actually better price action, but we find out that from February to until now we are seeing a huge difficult price action. It's for me, okay, I'm not telling you about you, talking about you because you are better than me, so please don't judge me. Okay, it's for me, it's very difficult to trade right now. It's not clean, okay, no clear price action, so I'm not interested to put my money into the risk. As a trader you should know when you should trade and when you should not trade. I'm sorry, I talked too much. Thank you Peter for that penguin man. He is not feeling okay, so bad sleep yesterday. Okay, I took same first long as you. Congratulations Janti Lopes. But yes, PA was easy to read, right sir? For me it's, I'm not interested yet. Okay, it's all, I'm calling it gambling, just gambling. I'm just doing gambling without buy side liquidity, without sell side liquidity. I'm just gambling. Okay Ciso. Hey Martin, good afternoon brother, how are you? BPR stands for what? Balanced price range. Thank you Alastite for giving him the answer. But bro, I took this type of entry, me bad trader. No, Jonty, I didn't tell you that, brother. If you want to take this type of a small entry, okay, let me show it to you one more time. Like, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. All I try to tell you is just don't take a screenshot and send it to me and called like, say I know the market structure, I know everything, you know nothing. Now, for example, I took my entry over here and maybe this high was my target, okay? I took my entry over there. Then when market came here, I put my stop loss to the break even. What is going to happen? I'm gonna get stopped out to the break even, right? I will be stopped out. What do I mean by that? Like this entry, I took this entry, I put my stop loss over here, and this is my target. Maybe this last parallel gap is my target. Okay, this last parallel gap is my target. When I see it went above this high, okay, it closed above that high, I will put my stop loss to the break even. What happened? Market came back, stop me out, right? I am break even. I'm not in profit. I love this type of entry. I love to be break even instead of taking this small move. Okay, because here look at this move. Here I got stopped out, but here I want to be stopped out, so I will catch that huge move. I would love to take this huge move instead of this type of a small move. This is my style. I trade like this way. It doesn't mean you have to trade this way. It doesn't mean like that, okay? But just don't come back to me and tell me, just show me that your shitty entries. I'm not telling to you, brother John T. Lopes. I'm just telling someone. I don't know he is here or not. Just don't come back to me and show me this type of shitty things, okay? Now these days I'm getting really so aggressive. Uh, I mean, I'm sorry for that, but I mean, from the last week, I'm getting continuously some messages. It hurts me, okay? I'm doing all of this for free, just for free, okay? Now, yesterday I talked about the psychological issue. Be fearless for pushing your button. How can you be fearless? If you reduce your stop loss, I mean the money. If you get a stop loss, you will take a small loss. If you can do that, you will be fearless for pushing your button. It's not same for me, okay? Because I will be judged when I will push my button here. I will be judged. So for me it's different. I'm fear. I really I fear to push my button, because if it is wrong, some of you will tell, okay, this guy took some bad entry, okay? So I'm fear to push my button. But for you, if you can reduce your loss amount, look at this price action, very messy price action. How can I mark some area where market can go? Then it will reverse. How can I mark them? I don't have any opportunity. Even from 1 minute chart, it's very messy. All I can see this parallel gap. So I'm not interested. If you are interested, go for that trade, man. I'm not interested. Okay, so yeah, please don't take it I mean personally. I am not telling any of you who actually commented over here. Salam bro, walaikum salam. Yesterday after your psychology lecture, I had a chance to reassess my aptitude and mental strength. Alhamdulillah. Okay, if it helps you, I'm happy, man. Thank you, Imran. If it helps you, man, I'm happy. Gagan, hi Tito, how are you, bro? I am fine, Gagan. How are you, brother? Balanced presidents. Lucas, that is balanced presidents. Hello, how are you, brother? I'm fine, Robin Hood. How are you? Guess it's very complicated to look for every fair gap as BPR or not. Can be lost in market mechanic if always focus on it. It's true, yeah. It's true. But if you want to get every kind of move, why it reverse from that area, why it reverse from that area, then you have to look for the fair value gap from hourly chart. You have to start from hourly chart, okay? And you will end to your 1 minute chart. Then you have to look for every kind of fair value gap around that area, every single kind of fair value gap, and you have to find out, is it balanced or it's not balanced. So I have nothing to do. Look, this is the, if this candle can close below this parallel gap, it's going to be the balanced price runs, okay? When, if it can come back again here one more time, you have to go to your sub 1 minute chart. That means, I don't know, you have the opportunity to go to the sub 1 minute chart, like 15-second chart, 30-second chart, 45-second chart, something like that. If you go over there, you will start to look for a sell setup from that balanced price range area. If you see price closed above this constant encroachment here, above this constant encroachment, you will wait until market closed above that BPR. You will again go to your sub 1 minute chart, and you will start to look for a buy setup from either high or from the consonant crossment to until high. Okay, so you will start to look for that. How can I use this 1 minute BPR uh, from the 1 minute chart? It's highly risky, but still you can do that. If you get a market structure shift now, you can look for some kind of entry. Okay, but it's highly risky because this BPR is from 1 minute chart, and you are going to frame your trade from 1 minute chart. The best option is you have to go to the lower time frame. That's the best option. Okay, if you remember here, I framed both of the trade depending on the 15-minute BPR, not 1 minute BPR. I had the BPR here, 1 minute BPR here, but I didn't frame my trade from 1 minute BPR. I frame my trade from 15-minute BPR. Okay, so here in 1 minute BPR, you have to go to the sub 1 minute chart, and you have to start to look for the setup from sub 1 minute chart. Okay, Ben Cruz, be balanced president. Thanks, man, for that answer. Please keep giving answer to some new people who actually ask something, and if you know the answer, just give them the answer, because I am unable to read your comment always. Okay, now because there are some more comments. Okay, balanced presidents. Yeah, thank you. Balanced presidents only balance if either of buy side liquidity sell side has been taken. Imran Mohammed, I have already uploaded. I have a video in my YouTube channel. If you go to the study folder, you will get a video called balanced presidents. Okay, so please watch that video. You will understand how I actually mark the balanced presidents. It's absolutely different with every single person. It's absolutely different. Okay, previously I'm telling you that it's absolutely different. So if you want to take it, you can take it. If you don't want to take it, no problem. Okay, but it's different. Okay, so in beforehand I told you it's very different. Peter, thanks, man. Thanks for that penguin, man. And guys, you will get the stream elements. This stream elements is going to post my Twitter link to the comment box. If anyone is interested to connect with me or join me through my Twitter, you can click on that link and you can join me to my Twitter. Okay, because I spent a lot of things. I mean, I try to give a lot of things through my Twitter, so you can join me over there. Okay, and I'm only active in Twitter and YouTube. I'm extremely busy, so I'm sorry for that. Big Uzi, yeah, how are you, brother? Hey Sarjay, how are you, brother? Thanks for that penguin, man. Hi, I will be interested in your view about gas. In gas, your real-time tape reading amazes me. Okay, gas, I don't trade. What can I say, man? We will see it later. What is the best time period to trade NQ? We have a kill zone. Okay, the morning London session is from 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. The Newark AM kill zone is from, I actually go for 9:30 to 12 a.m. but the session actually start from 8:30. Okay, we have a Newark kill zone around 7 a.m. in the morning, and the Newark PM session is from, for me, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So that's all. Okay, guys, I don't know if you have the ability to go to the second chart or not. If any of you has the ability to go to the second chart, just look over here. Go to your second chart, see market has taken the buy side liquidity, and if you get a market structure shift over there or not, if you did get it or not, and then the fair value gap over there, if it happens, that is a sell setup. Okay, I don't know, but yeah, you can look for that. Okay, yesterday stream was fire. Okay, don't forget news at 9:45. Okay, we have a news, right? I really forgot that. I was thinking to take an entry over there. By the way, thank you, friend. I mean, to remind me. I really forgot that. Hey, Kusing, how are you, brother? Don't forget news 9:45. Thank you, MP. Yesterday's stream was okay. I read your comment, Ravi. Thanks for that, man. Thank you, bro. I was just explaining to the other bro in the chart list regarding BPR you had explained. Oh, okay, Imran. I mean, it's a small video. Please watch that video. It will be clear. Okay. A lot of big egos in trading, bro. Don't take it to heart. Thank you, Peter. Until you are here, I mean, like Peter and some other guy who are Rain, like Rain Ravi, then uh, uh, AFX. I mean, if I miss anyone's name, I'm extremely sorry. Like Dear Soul, if you guys is still here, I will never get it personally, okay? Because you guys keep inspiring me, and I really I'm grateful to all of you guys for inspiring me. Keep inspiring me, man. Thanks for that. Thanks for everything, okay? Thanks, Peter. News incoming. I forgot that, okay? I really forgot that. I have a news at 9:45 so far I remember, but I forgot that when I was talking the price action. I was thinking I will take an entry, okay? To that area, I will take an entry. I was just thinking like that way, but I'm not gonna do that. The reason is the news is coming, and yeah, I'm not looking for a sell. I was looking for a buy over here. Okay, so don't think that I was looking for a sell. I was just looking for a buy. I wanted to see market will close above that BPR area, then I will take an buy over there, something like this. My stop loss will be here, and until maybe I don't know anything over here what I have. I'll just put it randomly, okay? So something like this. Like over here, this candle will close above the BPR, and yeah, I will just take my entry over here. Just if it tap to that high, I will be in the market. I'm not gonna take this, okay? So don't take. I mean, if you want to take, you can take, but I'm not interested to even push my button over here. The reason is we are just before the news, so I'm not interested at all to take entry here. But yeah, Blaine, 9:45 red folder news, 10 a.m. orange folder news. Okay, so I have no opportunity to take entry. Okay, yeah, I could take that entry. I mean, when it closed, I could add. I mean, one trade, one over here. Okay, like the way I take entry, I didn't wait for the fair value gap. I could take that entry over there. It was not a bad idea, but yeah, still, I forgot that about the news. Okay, so yeah, again, don't think that I when I saw this, then I told you that I was looking for the buy. Okay, when market was over here, I told that I'm looking for buy. So why I'm telling you this, because you guys judge me. That's why I'm making sure that no, I was not looking for a sell, I was looking for a buy. But brother, you told us that we can look for a sell over here from second chart. Absolutely, you can look for a sell opportunity over there, because if you take a sell over there, your target profit will be here, so you will be profitable over there. But from one minute chart, it's difficult. Okay, thank you, no problem, Peter. Yes, sir, you are all good. Just ride the wave and give us positive energy. Thank you, Sizo. T2 is equal trading terminator. FX, how many names are you guys going to give me, man? I have no word to thank you. You just saved me by life by teaching ICT concepts properly. Am I didn't know that. I'm just sharing, brother, my understanding. Okay, I'm just sharing. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, why I was looking for a buy. Just look of this BPR area. Okay, market started to trade that constant 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. Lot of time market is just trading this BPR lower portion. This is another kind of look. Where did it came? BPR high. It is not going through this BPR. That will be my expectation. It is not going to break this BPR now. That is my expectation. So I will take re-entry over there. My stop loss will be just below this BPR. Very small stop loss. Where will be my target? I don't know any target. I'll just keep it like this way, okay? Or maybe until that high. What is it going to do? Just trying to make this BPR balanced. Here was the BPR, that should be balanced yet. So it should expand higher. I'm gonna remove this two line from my chart because it is broken. Is it going to work? I don't know. We are just before the news. No entry is valid around this area. Okay, no entry is valid. Even if it works, I'm not calling myself, oh see, it worked. I'm not calling like this way. because this pure gambling. You are interested to gamble, no problem brother, go for that. I'm not interested. So even if it works, I'm not calling that, see, I'm the wizard. Look, I'm the wizard. No man, this is, this should happen, okay? This is obvious, it should happen. But that doesn't mean you will take this entry, because we are just before the red folder news. Don't take that entry, it's forbidden. Now here is the logic of the BPR. Is this balanced? Go your previous candle, or here someone look for some kind of relatively equal highs. If you get relatively equal highs, yeah man, from 1 minute chart, okay, not from 15-minute chart, because this BPR area is from 1 minute chart. Is it balanced? If it has taken the buy side relatively equal highs, yeah, it's balanced. If it failed to take some kind of relatively equal highs from 1 minute chart, no, it's not balanced. I'm not interested to go over there. All I'm trying to show you how to use the BPR. This is how you are going to use the BPR. What is the rules? Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Market went through this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Is it inefficient yet? No, it's not inefficient. Why? I have the sell side liquidity. What do I need more? Is it balanced over here? Is it balanced? No, man, it's not balanced. I mean, it's balanced, but it will be balanced exactly when market will come either the top or the constant encroachment. Body can't close below the constant encroachment, will go higher, take some kind of obvious liquidity, relatively equal highs or relatively equal lows. It's balanced. If market go lower, then what should be your expectation? Either it will tap to the low or the constant encroachment. To which fair value gap exactly? This fair value gap. Not here, not here, nothing. Here, take the sell side liquidity, it's balanced. Can I use this one from 1 minute chart? No, you can't use this one. You can use this one from 1 minute chart. Highly risky, man. Again, it's highly risky. Most of the time, it's not going to work for you. Most of the time. Then how can you use the BPR from for 1 minute chart? You have to go either 15-minute chart or the hourly chart. For me, the best option is to go hourly chart. I actually look for the BPR from hourly chart. Okay, that's easier for me. So uh I mean, how to say, I mean, it's easier for me. Okay, I'm gonna remove this one. What is this now? I forgot. I'm gonna keep it. Is it balanced? Absolutely not. It just fill the inefficient area. Okay, now I have the buy side liquidity. I have the buy side liquidity. Here I didn't have the buy side, not liquidity, I'm sorry. I didn't have the buy side over there. Now I have the buy side, not buy side, I mean the buy. Okay, the bull. Here is the only the bear. Now I have the bull as well. What is it called? Repriced. I'm calling it as a repriced, not balanced. If market can come back again to the top, went higher, take the relatively equal highs, it's going to be balanced from hourly chart. If market went through this balanced price range, then tap to the low or to the constant encroachment, went lower, it's balanced. Are you looking for buy? Absolutely not. Now I'm looking for sell again. Oh man, drama. What did you say, Peter? It worked. Maybe, maybe. We tapped the CE of the hourly fair value gap. Draw it if you want. We tapped the CE of hourly fair value gap. I guess you are talking about here, maybe. Jack T. Very messy price action. For me, it's not messy. Still it's not messy, but the reason is I am not interested. The reason is I don't have the liquidity. Okay, that's why I'm not interested. But it's not messy at all for me. Okay, I mean, it's very easy to read, but I don't have buy side liquidity, I don't have sell side liquidity. I'm not interested to trade in this type of situation. Okay, am I looking for buy? No, I'm now looking for sell. I'm gonna remove the opening gap because it's not important anymore for me. Okay, don't listen to the haters, you are the wizard. Hey, hey, Timothy, how are you, brother? You are teamed, right? Timothy, Medley, Peter, look dollar index. Let me check dollar index. What happened over there? This candle didn't break. I mean, finished yet, so it can go higher now. My expectation is it will go higher. Okay, it has taken the liquidity perfectly, no problem. It should close inside that hourly fair value gap. Then it should go higher. That's my expectation, and it should keep going lower. So I will see. Now, if it has taken the buy side liquidity, I don't know it has taken the buy side liquidity or not. I mean, there is any related equal highs not. Let me check actually. I don't think so. It has taken any relatively equal highs. So it's not balanced yet from 1 minute chart. We will see. We will see. Okay. Brother, you talked about the last fair value gap and the entry fair value gap until now. Now you are talking about something else. How can we use the entry fair value? Look over here. What happened? Market came here just from 1 minute chart. Okay. Just from 1 minute chart. Where did it came? What is this called? What do I have else? Entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. Now, brother, it went lower because of the volatility. We had the news, so there could be some volatility, right? Still, it didn't take that low. So this two fair value gap is valid. Went higher, come back again. Where did it came? Entry fair value gap, boom. Okay, so I mean, entry fair value gap, last fair value gap. The way I was trying to teach you, man, it's enough. Absolutely, it's enough. Maybe you will miss. I mean, over here, this BPR. If you use this BPR, you will be able to take buy and sell from the same market. If you use the entry fair value gap and last fair value gap things, then it's gonna be one way. Okay, one way. You have to trade one way. Maybe you are going to lose some run. Trust me, man, it's better. I don't you believe me or not, but it's better. If you trade one way, it's 1,000 times better than trading both way. Hey, my friend, why are you looking for a sell? Wouldn't it be a logical that it touch the daily fair value gap and then bearish? Uh, Hyperi, Hypero. Brother, you have to watch my weekly analysis video. And to my weekly analysis video, I have already explained everything. What when I will look for buy and when I will look for sell. Okay, I have explained everything. Now you are seeing the daily fair value gap. I can see the weekly chart. I have this order block from weekly chart. Look over here. Came to this weekly order block. Boom. I was expecting market to reach until that mean threshold. Still now I'm thinking like that way. Why I'm thinking like that way? What was yesterday? Accumulation. What is today? Manipulation. What is tomorrow? Expansion. Thursday, continuation of the expansion. Friday, reset. What is that? Manipulation. Still I'm thinking that market is going lower because inside of my mind I have the narrative. When I will change my bias, I made a video. Okay, I made that video. It was a hard work, so you have to watch that video. Again, from the broad picture, just look from the broad picture. What happened actually? Just look. Market was sideways, right? Market was sideways, sideways. Then boom, retracement, boom, retracement, boom, retracement, boom, retracement. Again, boom. Is it retracement? The huge retracement, or it has been shifted? What do you think? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure yet that market has done its lower run. Overall, I'm bullish. For a longer term, I'm bullish. Okay, market is going to take those buy side liquidity. But right now, I would love to see some kind of lower run until this area. Until this area, I would love to see that market will reach until this area. Okay, until that area, then I will start to look for buy. Right now, I'm not interested to take buy again. So yeah, and the news at 10 a.m. Thank you, brother, for reminding me. I didn't know that. Only I remembered that we have a news around 9:45. If we have another news at 10, oh, one another guy actually told that we had a news around 10. So we will see what is going to happen. Yes, I switched to Teamed. Hey, Teamed. This name I love more. Okay, brother. Teamed is a very nice name. I mean, that is also good, but Teamed is easier to, I mean, pronounce. Okay, my brother, thanks for the answer. I still have to learn more about PO3. It's a weak point for me. I will watch your video. Yeah, brother, you can watch them. Guys, I didn't ask for the like, and I can see there's near about 160 people, and I get 53 likes. It's is it fair? I only ask for the okay, man. I don't ask for your money. So yeah, 10 is a medium impact news. Yeah, I will see how it react around 10. Okay. Oh man, breaking this thing. I have to confirm that market will have to go lower if this daily fair gap is broken from the daily chart. From the daily chart, okay, not from the hourly chart, not from any other chart. If for dollar index price closed this daily fair gap, then only then I will be bearish for dollar index. I will be bullish for Nasdaq. Here, it has to break this daily fair gap first by the body. Okay, so still I'm bullish for dollar index. I'm extremely bullish for dollar index, and here I'm bearish for Nasdaq. Maybe I'm wrong, guys. Again, maybe I'm wrong. That doesn't mean I can't trade. I can trade, but if you are wrong about your direction, what should you do? You should stop for that day. You should wait for the next day. When the next day will come, trade it. Okay. Yesterday, market was extremely bullish, right? Yesterday, just look over here. Look, that was a bullish market yesterday. Now, if you are with me in my Twitter, how many trade I frame from 1 minute chart? Near about 5 trade. One was losing, four was winning. Every single trade was a sell trade, okay, not the buy trade. Even that bullish day. So yeah, for me, I love to work with my direction. It's up to you, okay? I'm divide USA is printing money as crazy, but one chart I'm bullish. Okay, already liked. Thank you, I miss you. ICT is long and talking a partial above 17521, and he will leave a runner to 17553.25. Look over here. I talked about this BPR. I don't know from where ICT took his long, but if you look over here, market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap. Price stayed to that fair value gap. If you take a buy, that was a very nice run. Okay. Now he is bullish. That doesn't mean I'm going to be bullish. Okay. I'm not bullish. I'm expecting bear run. Now I'm not telling that I'm going against ICT. I don't know where ICT is talking about this. He is in live or not, but I'm not bullish yet. If market keep going higher, I will change my mind when market will go above this line. When market will close above that line from hourly chart, then I will change my bias. If you ask me, I would love to see this hourly last fair value gap is going to hold the price, send the market toward the sell side liquidity. That's my expectation. Okay, that doesn't mean I'm going against ICT. I'm not going against ICT. Okay, so please don't judge me here. If it can make a fair value gap, I would love to take a sell. Even if I get stopped out, I will, I will, I won't regret. Okay, I won't regret. So I will be interested to take sell if it can make a fair value gap. Now it didn't make any fair value gap, so I'm not interested to take sell. So I'm just waiting for the setup. Okay, that's all. Now when ICT is looking for buy, I don't know what to say. I mean, Jack, your comment just stopped me. Okay, yeah, your comment just stopped me. He just comment on that to Tanja Live. Okay, Tanja is also looking for buy. Jack, everyone is looking for buy. I'm on looking for sell. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. So don't believe me. Don't follow my trade, please. Just go the way you want to go. Okay, because here you can see I'm just against ICT himself. So I'm sorry for that, guys. But yeah, it is what it is. I just don't want to change my bias or everything. I don't want to change it because that line is a hourly swing high. This swing high. If it is shifted, then I'll be bullish. Until then, I'm not bullish. I'm bearish. So I will just look for a sell. But to be honest, I'm not confident right now because ICT is looking for buy. Uh, I don't know I should frame any sell setup or not because it's going to be against ICT. We had the 10 a.m. news. I don't see any kind of volatility around 10. So I guess, I mean, yeah, nothing is important. If this B pair is broken, I will look for a sell. ICT and Tanja are providing liquidity for us. Lol. What was that, man? Oh man. I don't know. I'm just looking to ICT comment. I muted her. Oh, okay. It already cleared this more than one time and both made money on different direction. It's true, brother. We can make money if even if we are in the different type of direction. We can make money, but we'll say okay. Tanja made 50,000 last week from top step. I didn't know that. From top step, $50,000 from 1 week. Oh man. ICT and Tanja are providing lead. ICT has not yet traded higher time frame PDRA to reverse. Okay, but maybe both be right. ICT is looking for buy until daily entry gap, then it could go down from there. Okay, so it's still one sell side until high time frame. Okay, how you change your bias if you are wrong? I told you that. Okay, this when it will be shifted, this last fair value gap will be broken or dollar index will break this daily fair value gap, then I will change my bias. So all of this will Okay, Sanju, so still on sell side until okay. How you change your I think you have to watch the video I have uploaded to my YouTube about the weekly analysis. If you watch that video, you will understand when I actually change my bias and how can I change my bias. Okay, take a partial of here above 17,521. See if you can leave a runner above 17,553 ICT. 17,553. I would love to see that line. 17,553. So here. So this is the high of that hourly candle. All I want to see is if market went through that high, then I won't be bearish anymore. So there is two kind of situation. I mean, yeah, I'm not interested to look for buy. Okay, that's all. I'd love to mark the constant crossment. ICT is in Tanjas. Okay, over there. Okay, he's commenting, right? Let's go for the buy. Okay then. Oh man. If his target is around here, that means it's time to sell. Why ICT is the liquidity, that's why today you are using BPR much. Yeah, Tamimi, I told that I'm gonna use the BPR for so long now. Okay, but don't remember, I mean, don't forget about the last parallel gap, entry parallel gap. It's extremely important. I mean, sell in since the swing high. You took a sell without anything. Oh man, rest in peace. He took that run when Iran news came out and he made some 29K in an hour. So I think you are talking about this entry. Uh, this entry near about 68 handle. It was a nice move. It's pure gambling, okay? I mean, when I took the entry around the CPI, before the CPI, and just after the CPI, it's called pure gambling. I mean, though I'm so much sure about this, but still it's gambling because around the news the volatility can be huge. Market can easily tap over here, then it can extreme higher. Now it's all about probability, I know, but around news if you trade, that's the suicide, pure suicide in my opinion. I told you about this trade, okay? I didn't push my button because it's called gambling. I don't want you to do gamble. I don't want you to do that, man. I really don't want to do that. No, it's up to you. If you want to take this type of move, no problem. I have no problem. It's up to you, man. Market has went higher. Take that buy side liquidity. Again, it has taken that buy side liquidity. Look at this low. It is not taken by that low. This low is not taken by that low. This low is not taken by that low. This low is not taken by that low. Dang, 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 dang. Dang, dang, dang. This constant crossman, if market failed to reach until that area, oh man, that's kind of heaven, okay? Three drive pattern. You recognize that, man? You are a genius. Let's see. So look at 1 hour and you can see buy side above. Okay, let me check. Where is the buy side? Where is the buy side? Can you tell me what is the level of the buy side? You mark the C on 15-minute or hourly week. I guess from hourly chart. Let me check one more time. I forgot. Yeah, hourly chart. This hourly chart 15. I mean hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart, week, constant and cosmet. Sorry if I am wrong. That purple line, I mean week. Oh no no no. This purple line is the high of that hourly swing high. Okay, if it is shifted, if market closed above that hourly, I mean above that purple line, I'll be bullish. I'm no more bearish. Okay, I'll be bullish. Still now, I am seeing this as a manipulation. Today is Tuesday. Don't forget about the narrative. Okay, today is Tuesday. So this is, so far I'm seeing this as a manipulation. So yesterday was the accumulation. This was the accumulation. Market has taken yesterday's high. This is Friday high. Can market take that on? Absolutely, it can take that high as well for the manipulation. Okay, but if it has taken that high, it has to take it by a shallow run. I don't know it's going to do that or not, but we will see. Oh man, I thought it's gonna make a parallel gap over there. It failed to make a parallel gap. I took previous entry, but yeah, it's okay. Still, I have a very small stop loss, I guess. Let me check. 1700. I will see. Please don't push your button, okay? Until now, there is no setup, nothing yet. So please don't push your button. Please, that's a request. If you want to push your button, you can push your button depending on your analysis, but don't push your button depending on my analysis. Please. That's a request. it hit me. Now I will see if my stop loss would be here, then it was safe or not, because it was a huge stop loss. I didn't hold it until there. Love to see it over there. If it was my stop loss, then it could work or not. I would love to see that. It is impossible for me to put my stop loss over here for 23 handle, so I didn't put it over there. Still there is no parabolic gap, so it's not valid entry for all of you. Anyone, for any of you, don't push your button depending on that. All red candle soon by comes algo mode some more. We'll see. Yeah, there are no parabolic gaps, so this edge is not valid at all in any way. But yeah, I will just push my button because I thought there will be a parabolic gap. Whatever, I was seeing actually something else. So in that way, it was valid for me, but it didn't work. The way I talked about the entries for all of you guys, okay? Here, this is not that entry or anything over here. No market structure shift, no fair value gap, nothing at all. I saw something else. That's why I pushed my button. I didn't talk about that. Never ever. You see this order block mean threshold? The way I mark my order block mean threshold, you can't frame that in any other way. Okay, so please don't push that button with me. If you see I pushed my button with the logic I talked about already, and then it's different. I mean, it's different. But if you ever see this type of weird situation, I push my button, please don't push your button with me, okay? That's my request. First thing is, you never saw me to mark this candle as my order block, because all of you know where I mark my order block. I mark my order block actually here. Market taken the liquidity, market structure sheet, fair value gap. Price has traded fair value gap, went lower, order block trade, then went higher. Here I mark the order block. Here I marked this one as my order block because this is different, something different. I'm working with that. So please don't push your button. Now I would love to see if my stop loss was over here, I would be stopped out or not. That's why I still keep that line over there. Wait for liquidity graph. There is no entry setup. There is no setup at all. No swing low was valid for shifting market structure. First, no swing low is valid for shifting market structure. There was a no market structure shift, no fair value gap. No entry is valid. No first fair value gap entry, no breaker block, nothing at all. There you have nothing at all to take sell or to take buy. Nothing. Okay, so please. Okay. Then I did the best way. I mean, I didn't hold my trade for the huge stop loss. That's cool. This fair value gap should be broken first. Mhm. Okay. I'm also trying to mark that three drive pattern. I don't know how to trade the three drive pattern. Okay, to be honest, I don't know. So maybe it's not even a three drive pattern. Let me see actually if it is a three drive pattern or not. When this constant encroachment is broken, I'm not interested anymore. Excel. Let me see what is happening. Just as I mentioned that 1 hour nothing there to reject price reaching that purple line, right? So I was thinking slow green up. Yeah, that is the 1 hour swing high. That is the only thing the purple line is. Okay. If it is shifted, I'll be bullish. I mean, it will depend actually. If it go above that high, that is also Friday high. If it take that as a shallow run, I'm not bullish. But if I see this type of move, see this type of move, if I see this type of move above that line, then I'll be bullish. And still now this candle didn't close, so this last parabolic from hourly chart is not broken yet, because this candle has to be broken, I mean completed first. If it can complete above this last parabolic gap from the hourly chart, then this parabolic gap will be broken, the last parabolic gap will be broken. Until then it's not broken. There are two type of situation. Oh, no short is valid until this parabolic gap is broken. Until this parabolic gap is broken, no short is valid. And not broken means body close below that parabolic gap. Okay guys, I'm just coming back. Okay, because I can see there is 200 people watching and 81 likes, so I'm not interested to continue this without getting some more likes. I'm just coming back. Okay. Doesn't matter, Peter. People will come and go. No worries. Am I looking for buy? No, still no, I'm not looking for buy. I'm just seeing this market has taken the buy side liquidity from, I mean, not buy side liquidity, Friday high. Market has taken the Friday high. Can I take a buy? No, I can't take a buy because market didn't take any kind of sell side liquidity. No sell side liquidity has taken. Just look from here. No sell side liquidity has taken. Nothing has taken. If it keep going higher, I will let it go. But no, I'm not gonna take buy. Zero such 17,600 is next if we keep going. We'll see that. I guess the sell side will happen in PM session, and before that market should revisit the 625 level. 625. What do we have over there? 625. The fair value gap can be the last fair value gap over there. I didn't see that. Can be, mama. I'm just not interested to take buy. The only reason is market didn't take any sell side liquidity, so it's gonna be huge risky for me to take buy from here. Working, but with an eye on the streaming. You will be sacked, George. You will be sacked. Don't do that, man. And also that is the 50-minute first and second fair value gap. Yeah, there is first and second fair value gap around that area from 15 minutes. I remember that. Here is the first fair value gap. Sorry, it's, entry fair value gap. There is the last fair value gap from 15 minutes chart. I remember that. Martin Novanti, buy. Go for that, man. Sanjay is giving $100 cash for people. Lol, no wonder why people went there. Oh man. Okay, guys, I'm gonna read this comment one more time. I can see 175 people. So Tanja is giving $100 cash for people. If anyone would love to join her, please go right now. Okay, just go right now. Otherwise, you will miss $100. Bro, today getting no entry, it's just going up. It was not clear for me. Okay, at the beginning, just the price action isn't clear to me yet. Still, it's look like horrible to me. I am not interested to involve my real money in this type of situation. If I can buy the data plan, then I will do today's live session with paper money. It's my trading style, so no comments, please. Okay, so I have already told that I don't want to go in this type of situation. It's not good for me. I'm not interested to trade. You can see it's going higher, going higher, going higher, and after effect, it's really easy to call that market was bullish. But beforehand, it's not that much easy. Okay, so yeah, for me, it's not good. Okay, Caesar says, okay, Caesar. Okay, I can see still 172 people, so one people left. Just one people just left. Seriously, man, $100. It's not small, bro. Bro, why you are here, man? Even ICT is over there to Tanja's life. This knowledge is more than $100, bro. No way leaving you. Okay, that's a big compliment, Rahul. Nihal Najar. Okay, bye. See you, brother. Peter, normally we have to pay the girl. What is that, Peter? Market is going to take the buy side liquidity from 15 minutes chart. That's the buy side liquidity area. Okay. Totally agree what you saw, but all dips brought today. So I took once to feel market. So it's not bad to trade in this type of situation. Like if I come here I trade over there, right? One entry, two entry, took partial, got stopped out to the break even, one profitable trade. I outlined this entry. I told that I would take buy if there was no news. There was news, so it was absolutely gambling for me. I told that beforehand. Okay, when market was over here, I told that I was going to take a buy if I forgot that there is no news. Then that would be my buy. Then over here to that B pair, I told that if this candle can close, I mean how to use this B pair. If it start to work from here, I will just look for a market structure shift. I got the market structure shift over there. I will take my entry over there. Boom. But here, brother, why you took that sell? Absolutely a different matter. I don't want to talk about this. Otherwise, you will start to ask me so many questions. Now I have no answer for those questions because I'm working with that model. Now it didn't work for today. I'm just okay. Okay. If you remember, I marked order block by that candle. I marked that as my order block. Now I never marked this as my order block. You know that. There was no market structure shift, no fair value gap, no entry at all. I just pushed my entry because I'm just working with something else. But whatever. Without this, if you look over here, the full buy run, if I wanted to take a buy, I could take buy from there. Maybe from here. If I took a buy from there and I could call myself that I'm a legend, you should have stopped me and you should leave me. That is pure gambling. Purely gambling. Pure gambling. Around here where the 10. Yeah. It's pure gambling. Around 10. I'm not interested. Then market went higher, extremely go higher. If I push my button over here to that fair value gap, that's called gambling. Why? Because I'm chasing the price. Market didn't give me any precision, no setup, nothing at all. It didn't take sell side liquidity. It didn't give me, I mean, any kind of high time frame, anything. Just keep going higher. It's keep going higher. I don't care about that. I just missed everything. I'm not afraid because yesterday I explained why I'm not afraid. I will get lot of chances to take entries. Lot of chances. So please, without any setup, don't take it. Look over here. Did I gamble over there? Absolutely not. What was the reason? Just watch my first part of the video. I explained why that was a legit entry. Why that one was a legit entry. Okay, so please watch those. Here, this huge run, just bullshit. I'm not interested. If I get a market structure shift now with a very nice parabolic, am I going to take sell? No, absolutely not. I will wait for 15-minute chart to make a 15-minute parabolic gap here first. Bearish parabolic gap. It will tap to this bearish parabolic gap. Then I will go to 1-minute chart. If I get a sell setup, I will go for that. Can I take a buy over there? Absolutely, I can take a buy over there. How can you take the buy? See this 15-minute parabolic gap over here? I'm not sure that it's gonna make this 15-minute parabolic gap or not. If it can make a 15-minute parabolic gap over here, then I will be in 1-minute chart. I will start to look for a buy setup until this hourly parabolic gap. ICT pro trader who actually remind me about this parabolic gap. Okay, so I would love to look for a buy and there. What is that buy side liquidity? Just go to your 15-minute chart. This all relatively equal highs. That is that line. Market has taken that highs as a shallow run. So still this is the pure buy side liquidity. Okay, still this is the pure buy side liquidity. I'm just not interested to trade in this type of situation. That's all. Is this swing low is valid? If this candle can go little higher, then this low is valid for shifting market structure. If I get the market structure shift, am I going to take a sell? No, I'm not going to take a sell. Simple. Okay, hard to be long without any sell side liquidity being taken. I agree with you, Meet Patel. It doesn't even show the trades. Not sure what the point of her stream is. Okay, Kevin, I don't know. I mean, I don't want to talk about Tanja. She's a great trader. Okay, she's a great trader. Okay, 16, 100. Let's run, brother. Go over there. Let's go over there. I'm interested in 200k. Oh man, Ketan, thanks, man. Peter, I will show her my. Give some respect. We have some lady over here. Okay, give some respect, Peter. Rain, we prefer your sweetie voice. Oh, if you were a girl, I would be happy. Okay, I would be happy by reading your comment, Rain. I'll donate 1k to Tanja. I made 9k today. Congratulations, bro. Kevin B, she's cute, and ICT, they're there. That's all. Yeah, ICT is always over there because Tanja looks like her daughter, his daughter. So first, I have to get the withdrawal later this week. Go for that, man. Miguel, I am 1.3% on my 100k funded account. Congratulations, Miguel. Oh, you are minus 1.3%. Then congratulations is back. Check how perfectly price retraced from 50% of parallel gap. Same time it's BPR and then went up. Check how perfectly price retraced from 50% of parallel gap. If you are talking about here, there was news, okay? Leah, if you are here from the beginning, you know that here what I told, okay? I was bull and I was expecting bull run. Now here was the news, so it's perfectly gambling. That's why I didn't push my button over there. If you are talking about here, okay? So I hope we got the point. It's 10 candle low. I don't know, but whatever. The entry around this area is pure gambling because we had the news around that area. Okay, so I'm not interested to gamble. 15-minute BC forming with breaker. If you were interested in long, in 1 minute MSS, okay to take. If you are looking for long, you have to wait for 15-minute chart. It has to trade the 15-minute fair value gap. Then you have to go for the long. Okay. If you are interested to take long, first it has to create a 15-minute fair value gap. It has to trade that 15-minute fair value gap. Then it has to give you the setup toward the buy side. Then you have to go for the long. Okay, Ben. Nice to do that. Answered my question exactly. Oh, okay. So I have already give you the answer. Thank you for answering again about your next setup. 15-minute fair value gap to short. Thank you, sir. No problem, Miguel. You need for a new bearish fair value gap to be created to go short. Absolutely, brother. We trust now bearish 15-minute fair value gap from 18 April. Let me check, but whatever, I am not interested to take sell. I can say okay over here. Still, it's not valid because market is extremely bullish. I talked about this long time ago. Okay, I talked about this. If market is extremely bullish, then how you should look for the setup here. Can we take a sell from there? No, we can't take a sell from there. We can't take a sell from there. We have to wait to build a 15-minute bearish fair value gap first. If it can make a bearish fair value gap, then it tap to that bearish fair value gap, give you the setup, you will go for sell. If you are looking for buy, if you are thinking that market is going to take that buy side liquidity, same thing, you have to wait until price reach to that. I have only this fair value gap. Okay, from 15 minutes chart I have only this fair value gap. Price has to reach to that fair value gap, then it has to give you a buy setup, then you will go for the buy. I'm not interested to take buy, so I will just watch the price. Simple. I got 100 likes. Thank you guys for giving me that 100 likes. Okay guys, sometimes the message doesn't update, so I don't see your message. I'm sorry. Proterapath, you are laughing for what, man? I don't know. Maybe Alan told you something. S soup, man. What is S soup? I know the T soup, but what is S soup? Also, there is 50-minute fair value gap there here from where the price reverse. Yeah, I got it now. But still, I told you that when I will start to look for a sell, how I will look for a sell. Why I always wait for a 50-minute fair value gap around that area to take sell, because what do you see? Market is going higher, right? So what market can do? It can go little higher. This low is valid for shifting market structure. It gave you the market structure shift with a very nice fair value gap. So you take a sell. What market has done? It came here, went higher, fair value gap, boom. This can happen, okay? The thing you are seeing a market structure shift, this is actually liquidity taken. It can happen. That is why you need another 15-minute fair value gap. What do I mean by that? If even if this setup happened, and if it really would love to go lower, then it will take the buy side liquidity again, then it will give you another market structure shift toward the lower part, and then you will take that sell. It is over confirmed. Okay, here is this swing low valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely valid for shifting market structure. Here, if it can make a fair value gap, can we take a sell? If you want, you can, but the way I explained, market is extremely bullish, right? It can be the liquidity taken. Until now market didn't take the liquidity, so this can be the first time market take the liquidity. But brother, if it keep going lower, maybe we are going to miss the trade. You are going to miss this trade, but don't worry, because if really market would love to go lower, you will get lot of opportunities. Like over here, look, you had lot of opportunities to take buy around that area, right? If my bias was bullish, maybe I could take some buy entry from there. So if really market would love to go lower, you will get more opportunities over here. So don't try to catch the top. Look, as I'm looking for a sell setup, I'm seeing this as a market structure shift. Okay, maybe this will be a fair value gap. Maybe, okay, I'm not sure yet, but let this candle finish first. Maybe this will be a fair value gap. So what you are thinking, that you got an immediate reaction, market is going lower. So what market actually do? See this entry fair value gap and the last fair value gap. Any of this fair value gap, market came here, went higher, fair value gap, boom. This is more probable. This thing is more probable around this type of situation. Now we know the narrative. This is the manipulation. I'm thinking, still thinking, this is the manipulation. So market should go for the sell side now, but we will see. We will see. Okay, market has been taking sell side liquidity for the past 6 days. That doesn't matter, Caesar. It didn't take sell side liquidity for today. Give me 105. I will stay here. Okay, give me your what to say, I mean your bank account. Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. If you want to take this entry, only this is valid. Just this run is valid until here. So even you can see it's 1:2 1.9. This is valid until here to that entry fair value gap. Until this, it's valid. And as I told you, I don't take this type of a small move and called myself a wizard. I don't call them like that way. Better, I would love to take this type of huge run. I would love to take them. You are better than Tanja. I'm better than me only. Except me, everyone is the best. I'm not best. Every single person is the best. IFCZ, inverted face of congratulations. New word, man. IFCZ, inverted face of congratulations. I took a wrong entry yesterday, didn't put my stop loss and didn't check it. Lol, I took two good entries, and the third entry was I didn't stop correctly. It was my fault. It's not a fault, it's kind of murder. If you ever put your forget to put your stop loss, it's kind of murder. Where did it came? 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, if you get a buy setup now, that's valid. If you're thinking that market is going higher, then you can go for a buy. And if you ask me, I prefer that. The buy setup I prefer. But before going higher, it should reach until that entry fair value gap at least. My expectation, okay? Not highly recommended trade or something like that, and it's really so small. 15 handle, 18 handle, very small. I'm not interested at all. Hello brother, how are you today? I'm fine. You, how are you brother? Everything's cool, man. Hey brother, if 15-minute is valid from April 18, that one, absolutely it's valid. Absolutely it's valid, because there is no body which has closed that fair value gap, so it's valid. But here I'm expecting some kind of reaction. Still, I'm just seeing this as a reaction. I will be confirmed that market is falling if market can make a 15-minute fair value gap here, bearish fair value gap. Okay, then only then I'll be interested to take sell. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take sell. Coming down for the 15-minute fair value gap. It's already in the 15-minute fair value gap, but from 1 minute chart, I want to see some kind of reaction from 1 minute chart. Okay, so over here. Now I will just write down boom, because I was right about here. But as I told, I don't take this type of entry. I don't take this type of entry. I'm not interested at all to take this type of entry. I'm good brother, stuck at work, just came back home. Fresh up, brother. First, fresh up. How about macro setup? Yeah, I will see about the macro setup. When market is inside the macro, it has taken the sell side liquidity. Okay. If I get a market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity, it's better. Okay. This is what I shared in your YouTube comment. This is what I shared in your YouTube. Oh, okay, Shuzit, you are looking for buy. I remember, brother. I told that I am not buyer, I am not seller. I explained when I will be looking for buy, when I will looking for sell. If you just watch my weekly analysis video, you will understand that if this daily fair value gap is broken for the dollar index, then I will start to look for sell. Until it's not broken, I'm not interested to look for sell. From here, I'm just going to remove this from my chart now. Okay, it's not valid. The reason is there is no fair value gap. It's not valid. All I'm seeing is market has taken the buy side liquidity, market has taken the sell side liquidity, depending on the macro. Okay, depending on the macro only. Buy boom is a boom, brother. Lol. No, boom is not a boom, brother. For me, it's not. I mean, here is the situation where you have to watch both of the market depending on for the macro. Okay. Okay, I just missed the entry. Maybe I just missed the entry. Yeah, this candle didn't reach to that fair value gap, and I guess I missed the entry. Yep, I just missed the entry, sorry, because market didn't give me the precision. That was the macro entry, okay guys, so don't get confused why this guy is just showing us this trade, because that was the macro entry. You have to look for just 20 handle, okay. But it is what it is. I will just wait three more candle. One, two, three. Within three candle, if it reach over there, I'm gonna take that entry. If it failed to reach over here within three candle, it's not valid anymore. At the same time, if it has taken this buy side liquidity, this entry is not valid at all. Got the long stops break even now at top of 1 minute inversion. Let me see. I guess your stop loss is okay, I guess. Used to trade macro before, and how is your success rate there? Yeah, 20 handles, nice if you get that. Success rate is 99%. Macro entry is 99% success rate. I just can't say 100% because nothing is 100% certain for this market, but if you look for the macro entry, 99% will be your right entry. 99%. Just 1% you have to take losing trade. Nothing to do. Nothing to do. Just we don't have any opportunity to take entry, I guess. Like over here, if I could take that entry, 5 handle is going to be my target. Stop loss will be here. 5 handle should be there. That should be the trade. I mean, if it could little just tap over there, just tapped over there, that would be my trade. Because of maybe how many ticks? Just one tick. Just look over here. Just for one tick, I missed that trade. Just for one tick. Here, the Nasdaq. Let me check. Yeah, hit my target. 20 handle. It hit my target, okay, but it didn't take me. Not from this entry, not from that entry. It just didn't take me. Okay, Ben Cruz, if you still holding your trade, you have to take some partial over there, okay, brother? And you can hold it until this low. I'm not giving you any suggestion. It's your job, your trade, it's your call, okay? You have to take partial over there. You have to take. If you don't have the partial way, then you have to close your trade over there. That's forbidden, okay, brother? Trust me. Market just went higher to give me 20 handle. That's all, brother. Boom, Tito. Thanks for the confidence to take that trade. Your analysis is amazing. 15-minute favorable gaps are now what I frame all my trades. That's cool, man. That's the only reason you should look for the setup. That is the only way to look for the setup. Now, in this type of situation, actually, for Nasdaq, yeah, I'm not going to take entry for the Nasdaq. That's for sure. But for E-mini S&P, if I talk about the E-mini S&P, I would take my trade over there. Now, maybe you don't believe me, but trust me, man. I actually take one contract at least over there, and if it tap to this fair value gap, I would add one more. Okay, I would do that. But it's hindsight, and I didn't push my button, so maybe you are not going to believe me. But I actually trade this way. Am I going to take sell? No, I'm not going to take sell, brother. It's a very nice market structure shift. Market has just taken the buy side liquidity. Tap to this 50-minute fair value gap. Gave you market structure shift. Take sell, take sell, take. I'm not interested to take sell, brother. You want to take sell? Go for that. Here for this entry, if you see my cursor, my cursor was over there buy market. I was confident to take this entry. Here I'm not confident. You want to take entry? Go for that. No problem. Just go for that. Market structure shift, last fair value gap. Maybe there will be some kind of entry fair value. Go for that. Take the loss or win. I don't care. That's not my style to trade. I will wait for 15-minute chart to make a 15-minute fair value gap here first. First, it has to make a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Then I will look for sell. Why you are looking for sell? I'm seeing this run as a manipulation. What is today? Tuesday. What is Tuesday? Manipulation day. Accumulation, perfect accumulation. Went lower, went higher, then come here. Perfect accumulation day. Manipulation. It should go lower now. Oh man, if it doesn't go low, then you will come to me and just start to judge me. Thank you, thank you, thanks for judging. Don't judge me, man. Okay, closed me, haha. Oh, what is that? Offit Costa closed me. What was that, man? 600 huge wall. Okay, brother, can be. I mean, Sizo, I mean, I guess this thing is works perfectly. So now, if it give you extra confirmation, congratulations. Amma, Amma re, Amma. সব করা তুই রাখার নামাজ পড়ছো নকল নামাজ ওষুধ খাইছো আচ্ছা এবার এই মশাই টানাটা করছি কালকে মশা খাইয়ে ফেলছে আমি নিয়ে খবর তুমি এই ফ্যানটা অফ করেছি তোমার ফ্যানটা এখন ফ্যানটা অফ করেছে তুমি তোমার নোট করো না আপাতত না আমি যেটা বলছি সেটা শুনো কোন জায়গায় না 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 তোমার যা বলছি তাই করো আর ধরো এটা বন্ধ করো এটা বন্ধ করো তুমি থাকলে আমি লাইক করো এটা বন্ধ করো আমি বন্ধ করতে বলছি আমি উঠতে পারবো দরজা করো ভালো হয়েছে দরজা লাইক করছে না আজব আবার ফাজিল অনেক ফাজিল হয়ে গেছো তুমি না না তোমার কিছু করা লাগবে না তুমি যাও না this is the first time Novotny is telling that sell. I will go for buy now. Novotny, congratulations, Martin Novotny. Okay, first time I have seen that you were telling sell. You always like come and tell bro buy. Oh man. Oh. Amma, leave the cat alone. Market is inside a daily family gap. It will not just go up, it will chop around. Okay, let's see, Sujit. Dana, lol. Okay, Dana, why lol? Lots of love. So you are giving me lots of love. Thank you, brother, for giving me lot of love. Tough, but still good trade. It was a super quick reversal. I only had one contract, and once it hits the buy side, I moved stops to the first PDRA. I see one the 15-second or 1 minute chart. Okay, Ben Cruz, cool man. I mean, which entry you are talking about, I don't know. But if you are profitable, I'm happy. Just a pullback. Absolutely, John T. Rose, Lopes, I am seeing like this way. Useful, thanks for that penguin, man. Penguin or all the duck? I don't know. Without 15-minute bearish family gap, I'm not interested to take sell. Can I take a buy from here? If I was looking for a buy, yeah, absolutely I can take a buy. But here I am not interested to take buy. Okay, from the beginning I told you that I'm not interested to take buy, so I'm not gonna push my button for the buy setup. Then why I was looking for that one? I told you that that is only the macro. Okay, the guy I don't remember. He actually told that what about the macro? So I outlined that macro entry. Now for Nasdaq it wasn't good. It wasn't good to be honest. But for here, for the E-mini S&P, it was good. Okay, this candle was very near to that parabolic gaps. Now 0.25, one tick, just for one tick. I don't miss those type of trade for one tick, but I didn't push my button. It is what it is. That was a perfect macro entry for E-mini S&P. Okay, fake penguin. This seems to be resulting from profit booking. Okay, Madhok, I really didn't understand. Peter, fake penguin man. Penguin can be fake. Okay, so this is the real penguin. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, Peter. Jack, could this short now be taken based on macro as NSS happened? Now we still on macro. No, it's not. It's not valid as a macro because the macro setup was over here. It wasn't perfect, so you didn't take that entry. But you can't take this one as a macro. The perfect reason is you have to go to your 15-minute chart. Okay. Now from 15-minute chart, right now price is over here. Not 50 minute, actually 5 minute. So from 5 minute chart you can see you had a swing high, you had a swing low, you have those. That is the part of the macro. So if you know the rules, you have to have swing high and swing low around the area you are looking for buy or sell, depending on that macro. Now if you just look over here, if you frame your sell setup from there, you don't have the swing low. Okay, so it's not valid. I mean, for me it's not valid. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. The macro setup has done. I mean, if you look for any other setup or anything, it doesn't matter. I mean, we are in the macro, still we are in the macro, but macro setup has done. I love fake penguin. Okay, brother, no problem. FX, Amma, we all love you. Please leave Tito alone. He's ours. Okay, she left me. By the way, it's my mistake. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Strong fair value gap. If new fair value gap is stronger than old one, there is nothing wrong with that. Old fair value gap, new fair value gap doesn't matter. I mean, old fair value gap. Why I told you to wait for another 15-minute fair value gap? That's for the over confirmation. That really market would love to go lower. Okay, that's for over confirmation, not some kind of stronger fair value gap or weaker fair value gap. Not like this. Okay? Ama means mother. Yeah, Ama means mother. I took entry retry me y and out 30 points. Done for day. Congratulations, Nico. Hello, bro. Yes. Yeah. Amma means mother, brother. Do you have that as a breakaway gap from that reversal? Do we have that as a breakaway gap from that reversal? What do you mean by the breakaway gap? I mean, which one you are looking for a breakaway gap? I don't see any breakaway gap. I mean, here is no market structure shift, nothing. So this is not your entry level gap, breakaway gap. No, it's not like that. Just a pure consolidation, like Sujit told. We are in the maybe some kind of daily fair value gap, inside the daily fair value gap, so market is I mean doing this type of things or something like that. Um, like this buy, but yeah, it's logical. My request is please don't judge me. That's my request. Only my request is please don't judge me. Why I took that entry, I will just explain. I would love to show you this one. This is the same logic. I took entry over here, here, sorry, here. I took the entry over there. This is the same logic. I took that entry, okay? Same logic. Only difference is here my target is over here. So until from here, here, and about 40 handle. That's the only difference. So if it can go above that high and then reverse stop me out, I'll be happy to be stopped out. Oh, another differences is this BPR is from 1 minute chart, because from 15-minute chart, let me show you. From 15-minute chart, I have nothing. Yeah, I took the 15-minute fair value gap trade over there. I took that, but still, it's not a perfect BPR to take entry. Yeah, it's absolutely perfect for the second chart. If you go to your second chart, it can be a perfect setup from there. I don't know about the second chart. I don't have the ability to go over here. From 1 minute chart, it's not a perfect one. So I will try to take that. Okay, guys, don't forget to give me a like, and I can see near about more than 200 people are watching, but not like is very. Uh, I mean, if you would love to push the like button, does it cost anything, man? I don't think so. If it struggle to close above that high or that line, I'm gonna close my trade. If it struggle, okay, I mean, just make some kind of shallow run or something like that, I'm gonna close my trade. I'm not interested to hold my trade. Okay, I don't know if you judge me or not. So yeah, it went over there. Or I'll just put my stop loss to the break even. So even if I get stopped out, I'm not going to lose anything, because for some of you maybe this can be a profitable trade. Until here, this can be your profitable trade. Until there, I'm not interested to close my trade over there. I would love to see it will reach until that area. I know it's a huge run, but I love to take them. Okay, I love to take them. Why I took that entry depending on that BPR, balanced price range. And yeah, the only differences is this is 1 minute balanced price runs, and I love to use the 15-minute balanced price runs. So yeah, it is what it is. And this thing also I will see, I mean, if I see some kind of fake breakout or some kind of liquidity taken then run lower, something like that, or if it struggle to break this 15-minute fair value, I would love to close my trade as well. I have a very bad habit of trailing my stop loss. uh, it is what it is. Okay, so from here to until here you can see it's near about 21 handle, not bad, still it's huge. Okay, why not short this 22? What did you say? uh you're gonna buy now? Okay, okay, okay. Uh, why not short this 22? What is your question, brother? I really don't understand your question. I didn't understand. Okay, it's struggling when it is above this high. Look, above this high, it's struggling. It's called the fake breakout. It can go lower, stop me out. I will be stopped out. Now, if I closed my trade over there, that would be a profitable trade, right? That would be a profitable trade. Now, why, when I don't close my trade around that area and it stop me out to the break even, you guys start to judge me? That's my request to all of you. Please don't judge me because I would love to catch the move like this type of moves. I would love moves.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম, বলো।
ও ভাইয়া, ওই যে একটা মুভি ছিল না, তোমার হচ্ছে তামিলনাড়ু অনেক আগে দেখছিলাম, তোমার হচ্ছে কাজল হেগড়ে আর হচ্ছে ওই যে দুই দুই নায়ক থাকে। তারপরে হচ্ছে ওর নাম কি, ওই যে তোর হচ্ছে কাজল হেগড়ে হচ্ছে কেউ ওই মেয়ে ছেলে পছন্দ করে, একই অফিসে জব করতো, ওটার জন্য কি নাম, কি মুভি, লাস্টে যে ওর অ্যাক্টিং ধরা খেয়ে যায়, ওই যে পেটে ছুরি দিয়ে দেয়।
আরিয়া নাকি?
আই, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আরিয়া আরিয়া আরিয়া, ঠিক আছে, রাখ।
অনেক আগে একটা মুভি দেখছে, সেই মুভিটার নাম কি? সেই মুভির নাম শোনা জানি কোন। না, তোমার মানা করছি তুমি। যাও, তুমি যাও, তোমার কাজ যাও। What WTF? What happened, Lucas? So we can hear you. I hope you know. Yeah, I know you can hear me, but I don't think so you will understand what she was talking about. So, I mean, some of you will understand, but most of you won't understand. So it's not. When she's my sister, and she was just asking a name of a movie, nothing personal. Okay, if it was personal, I wouldn't talk like that. I don't have anything like personal. I don't have anything like that. Nihal Nazir, Bengali. Yeah, it's Bengali. Was you not buy? I took the buy, brother. This is my buy. Look, with some profit, still some profit. It's a buy, Novotny. Sujit Chitu, when you are done with your trade, would you look at breaker block in daily candle? I'm done with my trade. Okay, I mean, I have already taken. I would take the partial around that area because of that. I don't. Okay, breaker block, right? If you are looking for a bearish breaker, I don't see any bearish breaker around that area. If you look for the bearish breaker, okay. Now if you look for the bullish breaker, market can make a bullish breaker now. Like, look, market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, maybe prices traded that fair value gap, went higher, trade the order block, make that unfilled area somewhere. Just look, this is your unfilled area. So every low and lower low, between low and lower low, the highest up close body close candle is going to be your bullish breaker. So something like this, it will go above the bullish breaker, tap the bullish breaker, boom. If you are looking for some kind of bearish breaker, for example, if you are looking this one as your breaker, so high, low, higher, high, market went lower below this candle here, below this candle, guys. Sujit, this is my thinking, okay? So please don't just don't say anything to me, okay? If you're thinking this is the bearish breaker, it's not a bearish breaker. According to my thinking, it's not bearish breaker. Even if market reverse from there, I'm not seeing that as my bearish breaker. There is a hourly, what is I mean, hourly fair value gap over here, hourly fair value gap, and as I am bearish, it can reach until that hourly fair value gap, then it can go lower. Okay, so I'm seeing this hourly bearish fair value gap is going to hold the price and send it back toward the sell side liquidity. Now I hope that it's clear, brother Sujit. Okay, okay, I got stopped out. Now over here, I took my entry over there, I got stopped to the break even. And now if you come and tell me, brother, you are not a profitable trader, then it's up to you, brother. Okay, all I want to say you that, please don't judge me. I don't want to be judged. That's all. I love to take entry where market will be very expansion. I mean, I will get the expansion, boom, something like that. So yeah, that's all. So could you please advise why not short the 22 model for 1 minute? This extension has already achieved external highs. Okay, brother. The first thing is I don't see the external highs or internal highs or something like that. I don't see. All I told you that if you would love to look for a sell, first it has to make a bearish fair value gap over here. Okay, I don't know, is it clear to you or not? Market will go lower, it will make a bearish 15-minute fair value gap, then it will come here. You will wait, you will go to your 1 minute chart. In 1 minute chart, market will take liquidity, market structure here, fair value gap, you will take your entry over there for the sell side liquidity. If market fail to make this bearish fair value gap, until it make the bearish fair value gap, no sell setup is valid. If you are thinking that market will fall, you will just stop, I mean stay still over there, you will do nothing at all. You will just keep looking how far the price can reach. Okay, so it's not the bearish BPR yet. I get confused about the what to say, I mean 15-minute chart and the 1 minute chart. From 1 minute chart I saw that it's broken, so I marked that as BPR, but it also the fair value gap from 15-minute chart, so it's not closed above the 15-minute fair value gap yet, so it's not the what to say, I mean the BPR area anymore. Okay, so that is why, brother, I didn't look for sell over here. Okay, so this thing happens, you should not take sell over. I don't know, guys, who told you something about this or not. This is a very nice displacement, still this is not valid to take sell. Absolutely not valid to take sell. The reason is it can do this type of things. Remember what did I say? It can give you the market structure shift, fair value gap. At the same time, it will trade either the entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap. It will go higher. It can happen. So if you would love to take sell, first wait for the bearish 50-minute fair value gap, then go for the sell. Is it clear, brother? The Chinese guy, I don't know your name. Quick overview of dollar index on overall market today. Dollar index is just consolidating. I mean, after the expansion, depending on that news, after the news is just consolidating. You go to your 1 minute chart, you'll see this consolidation. Market is just consolidating after that big run. Until this fair value gap from a daily chart, this is the daily fair value gap. From daily chart until it's not broken, I'm still bullish for dollar index. I'm bullish for dollar index. If it is broken, then I will expect market will reach here, that fair value gap. Then I'll be bearish. Until then, I'm bullish. So when I'm bullish for here, I'm bearish for here. Okay, I will look for bearish only. No bullish run, nothing. Then why did you take that buy? Just depending on that BPR. That BPR. Is that balanced now? Absolutely it is balanced. Now I'm gonna put it over here and you will see how it react. Okay. Now you are not going to get any reaction from that BPR. I believe so. Okay. That's my belief because it's balanced already. Why it is balanced? This high has taken that high as a shallow run. So this shallow run is taken over there. It's balanced already. You should not get any kind of reaction from this BPR. So I just kept it to show you that it should not react from here. That's why I kept it. Okay. Otherwise I wouldn't kept it over here to my chart. This parabolic gap, it's different, but this BPR area, it's done. It has done its job. Oh my god, that 600 liquidity took fast. 600 liquidity, yeah, it took first and back again. Volatile. Awesome, man. Yeah, I can see it. Whatever your ish is, it's working, brother. Sizo. King of longs and shorts stopped that. But bro, thanks. No problem. Gupta. How many people, anyone took that entry? That buy entry? Anyone? Any of you took that buy entry? Oh, by your real money, okay? Not some kind of paper money or something like this. No. Anybody took that entry? I need to know that. Yes, can you give me some likes, please? Can you please? I kindly request. Let me check if there is anything else or not. Nice sign of consolidation. A very nice sign of consolidation by that candle. Demo. Okay, I took buy from 17555. Wow, super. I mean, it was good buy, brother. Hello, T2 and everyone. Hey, crypto. You're late. Two winning and two lost today. So you are in break even now. Is this a clean price action today? Is it a clean price action today? Absolutely not. Not a clean price action today. If any of you are thinking that this is a clean price action, I'm sorry. You know better than me. So I should learn from you, okay? But for me, it's not clean. Not clean until now. Around 7 a.m., the only setup was clean around 7 a.m. The kill zone, okay? At my beginning, I talked about this entry. I don't know about the London session, so I didn't see the London session to be honest. I started to see the market from 7 a.m. kill zone. So around 7 a.m. there was a very nice setup. This is all bullshit, okay? This is all bullshit. Here there was a clean price action, but it was around the news time. Here news time, news time. So any of this entry is not valid. Here it is not clean price action. Market is just consolidating, okay? Absolutely, it's consolidating. You were too early. Oh, okay, I'm too early. Sorry. Still winning. Congratulations, crypto. They have to open their own channel. Haha. Okay, yeah, they should have opened their own channel. Can you explain BPR if you haven't already? Have you uploaded any video on it? Just watch my weekly analysis video. In that video, I have talked about the BPR, and also in my study folder, you will get a video called balanced price range. Okay, you will get every information about the BPR balanced price range from that video. So in my study folder, you will get it the balanced price range BPR. So if you watch that video, you will get every information. But again, brother, it's absolutely different from other people. So my request is please don't judge me. That's my experience, my thinking. So it's gonna be very difficult, different. Okay, absolutely very different with other people. Only going up, no, so not clean. Absolutely, it's not clean at all. How could it be clean? Like over here, if it could this low, if it could take that low, then went higher, it will be a very. What do I mean by not clean price action? It's very clean, right? Market is going higher, higher, higher. Why I'm telling this is not clean? Nobody asked me that question. Why it's not clean? The reason is just look how it went higher. High, retrace, high, retrace, high, retrace, high, retrace, high, retrace, high again. Take the first time the liquidity. If this liquidity taken happened over there, maybe this low is taken by that low, then it went higher. That would be a perfect setup, a perfect price action. But it keep going higher without taking liquidity. That's why it's not clean, because when I will take buy here, I don't know market will go around that time to take that some kind of small sell side liquidity, then it will go higher again. I don't know that because market didn't take the sell side liquidity. That is why it's not clean price action. Okay, guys. Now nobody asked me the question. I don't even recognize everything. If I get something, then I explain that. So you have to ask me the question why it's not clean price action. Look over here. What happened? Market has taken the sell side liquidity. Now it has taken the buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. Buy side liquidity failed to take sell side liquidity. I believe that market will go and take the sell side liquidity again. But whatever, it can reach go higher now as well. It's here. It's messy. It's pure consolidation of sideways. Market is sideways over here. But over here, the only reason this is not clean price action is the not liquidity taken. You can go to 5-minute chart. Look, no liquidity taken. Simple up run. 15-minute chart, up run. Hourly chart, just clean buy. 4-hour chart, absolutely buy. If you go to daily chart, you will get the same thing. For the trade from today, I mean, not so good, not so bad. This one just don't count it, okay? I took that on to actually experiment something. I need to work with some other model, and this is how I get the precision. I can talk about the BPR entry, last 5 lookup entry without experimenting something. I can't tell you something, right? And when I am actually here in live stream, and if something happens, I have to practice them. So yeah, it is what it is. Yusul, where from? Spain. Okay. Is the bullish manipulating during a descent from July 15 to August 15th? The bulls manipulating during a descent from July 15 to August 15. Oh man, my English is bullshit, okay? I'm extremely sorry, brother. My English is really bullshit. I don't know what what did you ask me, okay? Can you please make it little easier for me to understand? Who else is from Spain? I'm from Spain. George is from Spain. I know that. I'm from China. Okay. I'll never judge you, bro, no matter what, because at the end of the day, it's me who's pushing my button after analyzing everything myself. Thank you, Gupta, but not everyone can do understand like you. Everyone not like you, okay? So thanks for that understanding, brother. I know George, you're from Spain. I know George is from Spain. Now he's started to talk about it in Spanish language. Teach me that language, man. Now, oh, I have nothing to do around that area as well. it's consolidating, so have nothing to do except watching the price. Now Shujit was absolutely right, market is consolidating and I can see it. If you ask me, I can say that beforehand by watching just this candle. If you watch this candle, that is the sign of consolidation. Why that is, brother? Why you are saying this after effect? Why didn't you say tell us that this is the sign of consolidating? I know, I know. How many times I told you about this candle? How many times I told you about this candle? How many times, brother? From 50 minute chart. You told that this BPR is not going to respond. It's not responding. Market is just consolidating. If it wasn't consolidating, this wasn't responding. The way it is responding, how can I know that it's responding? It came to the confidence crossment, went higher, take the buy side liquidity, then it would be responding. Now it is consolidating. Okay, market can make any level for its consolidation. See, nice. Our emphasis has a color equi. Okay, ahora empieza a hacer color equi. Bull flag always work. Yeah, it's a bull flag. I can see it, but we will see how the bull flag is going to break. If it really would love to go lower, then it will expand higher first. Okay, it will reach maybe until this parabolic gap, then it will go lower. If this bull flag is going to work, then market is going lower first, then it will go higher. So this is two type of situation. Creo que el fin de semana one time not counted, but you usually say about that candle. Okay, so Peter one time. Seriously, man. JD Capital. Good evening, bro. Good evening with that penguin, bro. Did I get some subscriber today? 5465. They're updating. I don't think so. Yeah, I got some subscriber. Cool. Now who is there? I don't want to receive a call, brother. Thank you. Hmm. I guess this bull flag is going to work. So far, okay. So far it's cool. Going to work maybe. I was trying Spanish. I'm just trying to read your comments. Can we take a sale over there? No, we can't. Why? Market didn't take the buy side liquidity. Look over here. It has made the buy side liquidity. It didn't take the buy side liquidity. When market came here and then displaced, that was a displacement, a perfect setup. The only thing I was missing the 15-minute parabolic gap. Otherwise, it was a perfect setup. Now, except judging me over here, what do you think? Isn't it I mean nice information when you should look for a sell? Did you know that you shouldn't look for sell over here, though it is a very nice displacement? Maybe you will mark the 50%, maybe 75%, maybe uh, like optimal trading or something like that. Is it a nice dealing range? Absolutely nice dealing range. Market has taken the buy side liquidity, market has taken the sell side liquidity. So mark the dealing range of that range. And if you look for the optimal trade range, it's not going to work. Now sometimes it doesn't work. Every setup sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, so that's not I'm telling that optimal trade range doesn't work. All I'm trying to tell you is isn't it a good information to look for a sell after a big run, big buy run? If you would love to look for a sell, wait for a 15-minute bearish parabolic gap first. First, it has to reach to a 50-minute bearish fair value gap or entry fair value gap or last fair value gap, something like that. Then it has to make another 15-minute bearish fair value gap if you would love to go for sell. Isn't it a good information? Isn't it going to help you? We love you, Tito. Jod is equal. What do you say? Creo que el fin de. Okay, okay. Jod, I have learned a new word. I might start to make new ones again. What do you want to make, crypto? I might start to make new ones again. What I was talking about actually. Crypto brother, is there a message on daily DXY chart? Daily DXY chart. Let me check it. Now, here, okay. Yeah, it's market structure shift. I agree with you. It's market structure shift, but I am seeing this as a liquidity taken. How can I explain this? Like, if I would love to look for a sell setup, then from daily chart, okay. If maybe you are looking for a sell setup from daily chart, market will shift, market will structure will shift, fair value gap, you will take entry to that fair value gap, it will go lower. You are thinking like that way from daily chart. You have to go to weekly chart first. From weekly chart, you will look for a bearish fair value gap over here from the weekly chart. If you look for a sell, you have to wait for a bearish fair value gap from weekly chart. Then you will be in daily chart. Price will trade that weekly bearish fair value gap. Then it will give you the market structure shift. Over here, I'm looking for buy. Still, I'm seeing this as a liquidity taken. When I'll be bearish, if the daily candle can close below this daily fair value gap, then I'll be bearish until this BPR area. Until here, I'll be bearish. Maybe to the top, to the constant crossment, to this two level, I'll be bearish. Here, I can't say this is market structure shift. Try to understand this fact, whole fact, bro. Market is extremely bullish, right? Look, market is extremely bullish. Just one, when market went lower, how can you know this market structure shift? How can you say that? Can be the liquidity taken, like over here. It has taken the liquidity, boom. Can you see this low? This low is valid for shifting market structure. There was a nice market structure shift. Look over here. Trade that fair value gap. What happened? Boom. Just I'm seeing this one as the same thing over here. That is why I need high time frame bearish fair value gap after seeing a big move. Until then, I am seeing this as a liquidity taken. Come, let me come here. Let me go to the 15-minute chart. This low has taken by that low. I mean, this low has taken by that low. Maybe the body closed here. Maybe the body closed here. Are you seeing this as a market structure shape? No, it's just liquidity taken because just look over here. It's a huge run. Just one candle shifted. That doesn't mean market has been shifted. Wait for over confirmation. It will make a bearish fair value gap first. From 1 minute chart, it will go to that bearish fair value gap. Then you will look for a bearish setup from 1 minute chart. It is going to work 100% of the time? Absolutely not. Not going to work 100% of the time. But it is better. I mean, you will be able to avoid this type of losses. Trust me, man, it's a losses. If you don't agree with me, I don't care. But I know about myself. When I was learning this thing, all I knew is, let me show you. All I knew is, if you are not agree with me, I don't care. You are lying to me. What I have seen, market has taken the liquidity. Liquidity has taken market structure shift. ICT, what ICT told, look for displacement. Okay, just forget about this whole price action. Look for the displacement. Anybody has any confusion about this as a displacement? Nobody has no conclusion. I believe that. So here is your fair value gap. Maybe it's a huge fair value gap. So wait until the constant crossment. I will take my entry to that constant crossment. Where should be my stop loss? Above the high. Above the high. Maybe this is my, I mean, low hanging fruit. Just go for the low hanging fruit. What can be the low hanging fruit? Maybe this low. This is the low hanging fruit. What is that going to happen? Boom. Even if you are not agree with me, I don't care because you are lying to me. But you will see this like that way. You should not see this like that way because you should wait for another 15-minute bearish fair value gap over here. Why? Look at this run. Huge run from here to here. Huge bull run. After getting this huge bull run, one market structure shift from 1 minute chart is going to shift the market. Do you really believe it? I don't believe it. Good to go. Good night and thank you. No problem, Peter. See you next time. Still candle not closed for structure shift. That's cool. If today's channel gets listed, I would always go for buy because your subscribe number is always bullish. Oh man, my subscriber now, yeah, I am happy really because it's huge. Okay, I mean the speed of my subscriber is huge. I even didn't expect this type of huge subscription in this small period of time. I mean, just few days ago I had 2,000 subscribers. Near about 4,000 subscriber I get within 3 months. And at the beginning it's huge. Okay, I saw a lot of subscribe. I mean channel. They are still a very small subscriber, but yeah, I'm growing very fast. So thanks, all credit goes to you guys. I don't know why you guys subscribe to my channel, but thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, brother. Uh, Gupta, how is your backtesting going for 8:30 open? Price respect 8:30 opening. If previous day it didn't, I have been backtesting that as well. Do that for me as well. I mean, do that for me. I mean, do that and later let me know. Okay. I right now I don't have any time to sit in front of my chart. All day I'm busy. So actually I can't give more time to think something. I mean, to work with my project. I'm really unable to do that. But if you guys still, if you do that, that will be a great help for me and for you as well. Okay, I will be able to learn from you guys as well. So that's why I'm asking it as a market structure shift, not market structure break. It came to the discount level to go up again. Just a point of view. Okay, I don't know what is market structure break and shift. What is the differences between break and shift? I don't know, brother. Brother, one yes, it failed to take high. Then you got an SMT as I'm looking for sell. If you get the SMT, that's better, right? Yeah, that's better. If you get the SMT, cool. You get the SMT. I'm looking for sell again, okay? But if market doesn't give me that, I will be happy. Just don't forget about the narrative. Today's Tuesday is the manipulation day. Okay, so manipulation happened to the upper portion, should fall. And it's near about 12, so around the lunch we don't have any opportunity to trade around the lunch hour, so I guess I can conclude my session for today. Shift is for a smaller time shift inside a dealing range. Oh, okay, Ahmad Mustafa. I actually use the market structure shift for as market structure break. Whatever, we that's just a different name. Guys, I'm bearish. Okay, I am bearish. Let me go to This sell side liquidity is my target. I'm bearish. Okay. Now, if market keep going higher, I'm not interested to take any kind of buy today. I will change my bias tomorrow, depending on my weekly analysis. If you have already watched my weekly analysis, you have already known how I will look for the price action over there. Actually, I didn't talk anything about the Nasdaq when I'm gonna change my bias. I talked about here in dollar index. I told that if this daily fair value gap is broken by the candle, then I'll be bearish for dollar index and I'll be bullish for Nasdaq. Okay, so that is the only requirement for me to change my bias. I'm bearish. All I'm seeing this market was accumulating yesterday. Today is the manipulation. Market has taken the Monday high and also the Friday high. Right now it is trading this gap. It can go little higher until that last parabolic gap from hourly chart. Then tomorrow and the day after tomorrow is going to the extension day toward the last parabolic gap here, BPR mean threshold of the weekly order block. So this will be my target. If dollar index break this daily fair value gap, it started keep going toward that BPR, I'll be bullish until this area. To ask me for today, I'm still bearish. All I'm waiting for a 15-minute fair value gap over here. If market can make a 15-minute fair value gap here, I will wait for something like this. Now my extreme target is this sell side liquidity. I don't need to price come here until that sell side. I don't need it. Okay, you can see it's near about 277 handle. I don't need that 277 handle. If I can get 25 to 40 handle, I'll be happy. But for taking sell, I have explained what do I need. If it's not clear to you, watch that part one more time. It will be clear, I believe. Okay. Thank you for understanding. I guess Tesla earnings after market. Aftermarket Tesla earning might get that Nvidia type volatility. Okay, mid quarter. Okay. Then today is highly risky. I took the best decision when I told that the price action isn't clear to me. Still look like horrible to me, so I'm not gonna trade through my real money today. I guess that's a best decision. If Tesla something is going to happen after the market, then we have to wait. I mean, we should not trade in this type of days, I guess. And we will see if we get that Nvidia. I guess it's 4:30, right? Yeah, I will see. Okay, bro. I will let you know. There is the list I can do in exchange of your knowledge. Thank you, brother. I mean, that's huge for me because you will save my time. So if you save my time, that's the best thing one can do for me. So feeling alone, bro. I'm bullish until 17680. 17680. What do you have over there? Shudit, don't be alone, man. Still, it's a sign of bull. Still, it's a sign of bull. Like this parallel gap is still respecting. Look at this 50-minute parallel gap. It is respecting. Let me remove this one. Everything. So don't be afraid. I mean, don't be feeling alone, man. If you are bullish, if you get a fine setup, go for that trade. Make sure your stop loss is small amount of money. Go and flow. I mean, just fly with the run. If you get stopped out, what you are going to lose? Just a small loss. That's all, brother. I hope you'll understand. But Sujit, I talked about this daily BPR. When I will look for this, I will look for this only if I see dollar index has broken this daily fair value gap today. It has to break it today. Has to break it today. That means body has to close below this daily fair value gap today. If it happens, then only then I will look for this daily BPR area around that area. I mean, this is the last pair of lookup from daily chart, also the BPR area. I'll look for that. Until then, I'm not. I'm not bullish. Okay, I can't be bullish. I will be bearish. So I will look for the sell setup only. That doesn't mean I can't take the buy. This is my bias. If you work with your bias or the direction, that's a safe game. But if you play like that way at your beginning, you will learn a lot. But yeah, sometimes you will miss some entry. But it's happy. You should be happy. You should be happy for that. Okay. You can use this website to see Meet Patel for what website? I think you sent the website link, but it's not showing over here. So just send it. Send me to my Twitter, Meet Patel. Shoaib Hussain, fair value gap. Why? What is fair value gap? What is fair value gap? I don't know what is fair value gap. Big week for earning. We have Tesla today, then tomorrow Meta, and Thursday MFST Gug. I am not gonna trade then anything this week. No trade for this week. If we have this type of news every day, I mean almost every day, tomorrow Thursday, okay, I'm not gonna trade. So another week I'm gonna sacrifice, no problem. Macro, there is no macro right now. Around 12, this macro is absolutely different. You have to play this macro in a different way. Now, if it works sometimes the way I explained, that's pure luck. Pure luck. Okay, I am referring to the daily fair value gap candle. 19th January market closed that fair value gap, so it's going to close that BPR. We will see, brother. Okay, I am still bearish. I'm still bearish. I'm just seeing all of this run as a manipulation. See this whole run, I'm just seeing this as a manipulation. It was accumulation, it's the manipulation. Now market should expand toward the sell side liquidity. Okay, still now I'm looking this as a manipulation day. Okay, I will be wrong only if market close below this daily fair value gap, then I'll be wrong. Or if market can go above this last fair value gap from hourly chart, then until this entry fair value gap I'll be bullish. To ask me, no brother, yeah, it can reach until that last fair value gap, there is nothing wrong with that. But yeah, I'm not I'm not bullish. Okay, scared money don't make money. I am scared. I'm not gonna make money this week. This is going to be a bullshit week, I believe so. Now if anyone is new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Free to subscribe to my channel. And if you didn't give me the likes, give me the likes before leaving my stream. I deserve some likes. Okay, so please give me some likes. Okay, if he sent you website link, share on the Twitter that Nvidia things. Oh, okay, yeah. If he give me the link to my Twitter, I will post it to my Twitter. Okay, so that you guys will be able to take that and see that link as well. So I will do that. Okay, you're not wrong. Dollar up. Okay, it's May, and this is sell in May and go away. Let's see. I used to have a website calendar besides the Forex Factory, only for indices. I can't remember. I only know about the Forex Factory. I don't know any other calendar. I'm a noob. So if you know, just don't forget to send me the link. Okay. Still consolidating. This is pure consolidation. And about the bull plug, I told that if market really would love to go higher, first it will fall, then it will go higher. Now, if you ask me, is this a valid setup? I see this is a valid setup here. I'm not gonna take, I mean, I'll just take it and I'm gonna close my session for today. This is a valid setup. I'm going to mark the setup. This is launch hour, no entry is valid. Okay, here market has taken the sell side liquidity, a perfect market structure shift there. There is your fair value gap, but it didn't trade that fair value gap. I know it didn't trade the fair value gap. I have the breaker block is valid. In my opinion, it's absolutely valid. Market should expand higher. So I'm gonna close my session here like this way, and if it works I will post it to my Twitter. Okay, I'll just put it here. Okay, very small run, not going to, though I know I believe that market will reach until here. I believe so. Okay, yeah, I'll put it over there and we'll see if it works or not. Yeah, I will I'm gonna close my session for today. If anybody didn't give me the likes, please don't forget to give me the give me the like, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so yeah, wait, there is SMT2. Where is the SMT? No, there is not SMT. No, there is no SMT. Whatever. So until the next day, guys,